you mentioned common elements. For the benefit of our viewers who may be first time owners or who are about to become first time owners, what exactly are common elements?
Now, common elements in a condominium property are all those areas which do not form part of a unit. Units are those areas which are habitable in which a person can live, which would be perhaps subdivided into 3 or 4 rooms and which can be used independently. So, if you leave out all the units, the rest of the areas are called common elements. Corridors, swimming pools, playgrounds, the lifts, parking, all those are common elements. Now, one would wonder how would these common elements be managed?
Yes.
At the time of registration of a condominium property, when the deed of declaration is registered at the land registry, automatically a legal entity called a management corporation comes into existence. It also has a name. Most people are not aware of it, but it carries part of the condominium plan number. So, for example, if the building is based on condominium plan number 1234, let's say, the management corporation would be called Management Corporation Condominium Plan number 1234. So, there is a name for this legal entity. Now, this entity has a lot of powers as given in the apartment ownership law. These powers are necessary to manage and maintain the common elements. It's such a vast area, and for people to live comfortably in this building, the common elements must be properly managed.
Of course.
So, and if it is not properly managed, the value of the unit would also go down. So, now who are the members of this management corporation? The members are all the unit owners. The entire number of unit owners automatically, when they get the deed of transfer, becomes a member of the management corporation. But all of them together cannot manage the common elements. So, the Act allows, first of all, for the Condominium Management Authority to hold the first annual general meeting.
The Condominium Management
Authority convenes the first annual general meeting.
Right.
That would be done within 3 months of registration of the condominium property.
Right.
So, they are just the convenor, right? And then during that first annual general meeting, a council is appointed from among the unit owners. The ones who can really do proper service to the condominium property would be appointed. Thereafter is the council, like a board of directors of a company which administers and manages